This post here gave me 18,000 views and gave me $2. Another post that gave me 500,000 views and gave me $3. This is another post that gave me 112,000 views and gave me just 25 cents. This is another post that gave me over 64,000 views and gave me over $2. Now Facebook is changing. A lot of things about Facebook that have changed, and I'm also going to be showing you why at 18,000 view post gave me $2 and 100,000 view post gave me 25 cents. Okay, see me for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is Selim Pictures TV. I talk about different side hustle that you can try just with your smartphone. If you want to get content from me, do want to like the video, share the video, subscribe so they can get more content from me whenever I drop a new video. Now mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying after watching this video you start making millions. If you are a content creator on Facebook or you are about to start creating videos or posts or whatever on Facebook, I think you definitely need to watch this particular video. Facebook pay for story, they pay for photos, they pay for reels, which is video, they pay for your long videos too. They also give bonuses. You can earn from stars on Facebook. There's something called content monetization on Facebook, which allows you to earn from every piece of content you post on Facebook, even your text. Me as a Nigerian creator on Facebook, I'm only earning 0.01 cent per a qualified 1,000 views on Facebook. So a few days ago, I opened my Facebook page and I saw a message. I believe a lot of you have seen something like this if you open your Facebook profile. When I clicked on it, it took me to Google Play Store and I had to install an app called Manus. So this is how the AI actually look like, or this is how Manus AI by Meta actually looks like. So once you sign up your account, you can just use Facebook to log in into your account. So they give you 1,000 credit for free. They give you over 100 free credit every single day. Let me show you what I use Manus to do. The first time I opened Manus, I came down to this their agent center right here. Manus writes like a human being. I'm going to copy this particular prompt and I'm going to take it to ChatGPT. Let me come here and put a web search on ChatGPT and let me just click on enter right here. ChatGPT just came with the result right now and Manus is still thinking. Now that's the difference between ChatGPT and Manus. It takes 2 to 3 minutes for Manus to give you a reply, especially if you're using the free plan. So that is why it takes some time for Manus to give you a reply. Now this is what ChatGPT has given us and let's wait for Manus. Now while we are waiting for Manus to come up with something, let's check out the post that I made or the post that I posted on Facebook. This is one of the posts I created with Manus. This post is currently at 60,000 views and I've gotten 10 cents from this particular post. I created this one, 24,000 views. This one is currently at 800,000 views and over $4.8 dollars by 118,000 views and 26 cents right here. And I created another post with Manus. It's showing 69,000 views here, but the real views on this particular post right here is already at 380,000, and this post has given me $2.3 right here currently on Facebook. All these posts I created them using Manus AI. Okay, let's go and check Manus. So our stuff is done right here. These are what Manus gave me. Now let's push it a little further. So what you should do now, focus only on Nigerian celebrities, 15 to 20 trending topics or trending gist from Nigerian celebrities, from entertainment. It could be Nollywood, it could be music, it could be content creators, it could be streamers, it could be celebrities. Let me just click on enter. Now I'm going to copy these two. Now let's take this over to ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us right here. The first topic: Wizkid react to Burna Boy and DJ Tunes. The video speaks amid Wizkid and Burna Boy drama. You can see Tenny react to Wizkid versus Burna Boy. So we got about 20 trending topics from ChatGPT. This time what we are going to do is that we're going to get those topics right there and we're going to create a post for those topics and we're going to post them on Facebook and see the ones that will perform better. Okay, that is what we are going to be doing right now. So while we are waiting, now the reason why I'm going for celebrity gist is because that is one of my niches on Facebook. Like I like saying, I have different pages on Facebook and each of the pages have their own niche. Pick a niche that can help you grow faster and also pick a niche that can help you monetize faster. If you don't know how to pick a niche, I have actually made a video on how you can actually pick a Facebook niche. let me show you what I was talking about. The AI is actually blocking out some harsh words. On Facebook, there are some words that can hinder your post from going viral. Number 2 says, Whiskey drag Burna Boy for explaining the DJ Tunes situation, said Idolo mouth no good. This is actually crazy. This is more detailed than ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and this is Manus. Now, the thing is that ChatGPT actually goes on the internet and gather things from different blogs, from Wikipedia. Why Manus take its time to go through Facebook itself and drain out the most important things from different bloggers, from different posts, and it gives you an amazing result. And the next thing is for us to go to an app called Image Search Man. Let's search for DJ Tunes. I'm going to get his image from this particular app. So let me go ahead and save his image. I'm going to come back here and also search for Burna Boy. So I like this image from Burna Boy. Let me download this one. So now I have 2 images. Now let's take it over to InShot. The reason why I'm using InShot first before Canva is because there are some features that InShot have. Canva has it, but it's really complicated when you're using Canva as a beginner. So let me come to InShot. I'm going to click on collage. I'm going to click on the blend option. So I'm going to bring in Burna Boy and DJ Tunes right here. So let me adjust it to how I want it to be. So I'm going to come down here and export this. I'm going to come down here and delete this photo. So I'm going to come down here and click on the upload button for me to upload the photo we just made from InShot. I'm going to zoom it in. Come here and click on positioning. So let's push it backwards. You can see that this is actually amazing. Now what we are going to do is for us to go back to Manus and copy that particular post that Manus gave us. Remember the post that Manus gave us. So we're going to come back to Manus and copy this post. So let me take it back to Canva. I'm going to click on the text here. Let me edit this one right here. This is actually amazing. You can see this is amazing, right? I already have this template right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to come here and select current because I want to download only one. I'm going to click on save. Let me click on download now. You can actually create this with AI. You don't have to do it manually. So I'm going to come over to Gemini right here. And I'm going to open Nano Banana right here inside Gemini. This is the text right here. And then I'm going to upload the reference images. Let me give it a prompt like this. So create a celebrity style or create a blogging style post for trending celebrity topics using the text I just provided to you. See how the reference image looks like. I need exactly something like that. The aspect ratio is 4:5 and make it high quality and make it look premium. So filter some of the text. Use only the ones that we attract more attention and more clicks. So let's see what Gemini will give us. We can compare the two and we're going to post the two. As you can see, this is what I got from Gemini, and I'm going to come here and download this right here. So let me save this and we are going to go and compare the both of them, the one I did with the one Gemini actually produced. This is what I actually produced. You can see the difference, natural plus AI produce. So tell me which one you like best. So the first thing I'm going to do is for me to bring back that post that we did inside Manus. So I'm going to come down to Manus. I'm going to come here and upload the image that we just got. Let me give it a little prompt based on this particular image. This is from one of the topics you gave me earlier. So write me a post of 150 words that I can post it on Facebook that's going to be funny and safe at the same time. So I'm going to click on enter right here. So let's see what Manus will come up. Now this is amazing, but the problem is that there is a limit to how many images you can upload into Manus every single day. So I think it's like 5 or 6 you can upload. You cannot upload more than that every single day. I want to copy the whole thing and I'm going to go and post it on Facebook right now. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to import the post. I'm going to type something like, you can see that. So this is the post. You can see how long the post is, and I'm going to click on next right here, and it's going right now. And I'm going to also click on next again, and you can see that it's currently posting right here. Now that is how you post this on Facebook. So this is how you use Manus and create engaging post on Facebook. I mean, it might not be for this. You can use it for any other topic, be it politics, be it finance, any other topic. You can focus on any other niche. It might not be this one, but this is how I personally use Manus to gather topics, to get posts and post them on Facebook and monetize my posts, and I earn from my posts. Share your opinion down in the comment section.